So this is how to make a cardboard Chicago typewriter, or Thompson, depends on which one you prefer to call it. It's just I based mine on the Resident Evil 4 one, which is called Chicago typewriter. So what I did was I started off with this handle, that one there, then I kind of just built up with cardboard. So that's just pure duct tape there. Made a duct tape trigger, drum mag out cardboard, and just stuck it all together with normal sellotape. Duct tape all this part to make it silver, like so. So it's all silver black handles. Then I made the stock just like, I cut out two pieces together, then I, like that, then I just got cardboard and went around it and then stuck it all down. You can see the sellotape there, it's just been spray painted. I spray painted it, so all this silver, then you just spray paint the wooden parts here, the handles that are left. So you have a Chicago typewriter. I'll make another one doing a video on where I'll properly walk you through it. This is just smallly telling you how to do it. So bye. I'm going to do a hand cannon one, I'll leave a link.